welcome to Be Beautiful, and the reason I feel you clicked on this video is because the summer is coming and the heat is almost unbearable right now, and it's extremely difficult to keep your hair down. So this is a video that you should watch if your hair is like me, if you don't want to use any heat on your hair, but at the same time you need a few different hairstyles, or maybe just one hairstyle which you can stick to for the summer season. So stay tuned to see how I create different hairstyles without using any heat, and you can see that my hair is frizzy, it's natural, I have not straightened it, it's not straight and silky. So I'm sure a lot of you can relate to this kind of hair and find it unmanageable. So let's get into the video to see what kind of hairstyles I have in store for you.
So when my hair is extra frizzy, I just like to take a drop or two of oil and apply it on my hair. I like to apply it from the top to the roots. You can choose any kind of oil. I have taken olive oil. So for the first hairstyle, I'm just grabbing hold of all of my hair and I'm just taking it high up on my head. And then I'm just going to make a simple, very simple bun kind of thing on top of my head, and I'm just going to use bobby pins to pin all the hair in place. Secure it really well so that it doesn't fall off or any of the hair strands don't come out. And once it is well secured, your hairstyle is literally ready in just 1 minute. Now once the bun is secure, just check for loose hair strands and just take them all together and use a bobby pin to secure them at the back of your head. And there your hairstyle is ready. You can pull the bun out a little bit. You can make it a little neater or a little messier, the way you like to carry yourself. And your hairstyle is done in less than a minute. Now for the second hairstyle, just part your hair. You can do a left or right parting according to what you normally do. And then section out your hair on both the sides from the front of your ears and take all the rest of the hair back, that is from behind your ear. Whatever hair is there on the back, just grab all the hair and tie it into a high ponytail. I have just clipped the front section so that they don't come in the way of my ponytail, and I'm just taking very small thin rubber bands. I've taken a couple of them so that it doesn't break while I'm tying my ponytail. And once my ponytail is done, I am taking the section where the hair is less in the parting and I'm just going to braid it normally. I'm going to quickly braid it till the end, and once I reach the end, I'm just going to tie a small rubber band to the end, and then I'm just going to pull out the braid to make it loose. This will make the braid look a little voluminous and not too flat. And then I'm just going to pull this braid back and I'm going to make it go around my ponytail. So this will cover the rubber band that I've used to make the ponytail, and then I'm just going to pin it at the end and make sure that the pins are not visible. It's easy to hide the pins in such a hairstyle. Use enough pins to know that you have tied your braid securely into the ponytail and that it's not going to slide off. Then the remaining section of the hair, I'm just going to comb it back. I'm going to twist the hair by itself at a point where I want to pin it, and then I'm going to secure it with bobby pins. And then I'm going to grab all the hair, this loose section and the earlier ponytail, and I'm going to tie it again into another ponytail. This will make sure that my ponytail is high enough and stays high for the rest of the day. You can also just wrap it around the earlier ponytail and pin it like we did with the other section, but this I believe looks much better than just wrapping it around and pinning it. So your second hairstyle is ready. You can actually pull out some hair to make it look like it is a lot more voluminous than it actually is. You can angle the loose hair differently. You can angle the braid differently to make it look like a completely different hairstyle or to suit your face shape. Now your third hairstyle is just going to be a variation of the second one. Just grab all the hair from the ponytail and just wrap it around in the form of a bun. You can twist the hair around itself first before doing the bun to give it a more structured look. Just use bobby pins to secure the bun, whether it is twisted or plain and simple bun, and your third hairstyle is ready. So this variation is basically for people who cannot bear the hair even on their neck during the summer season, and this is a complete updo without having any loose hair to irritate you in any way. So I hope you really enjoyed this video. Do leave a comment letting me know which hairstyle you like the most. These are basically more messy versions, and I really like doing messy hairstyles. I'm not really into very sleek hairstyles, especially because of my hair type and my hair texture. So do give this video a big thumbs up if you did like the hairstyles, and please don't forget to subscribe so that you can get notifications for all my future videos. And I will see you again very soon with another cruelty free video. Till then, have a great week ahead and take care. Bye bye.